Well, Betty White's not happy. I don't know what's happened, but she has sprung a huge leak and I have no power steering. So we're gonna fix this too. Let's go. It's Clarence Cadiddlehopper and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo, doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up. All right, so I started her up last night. She didn't run out all at once, but I started her up, went to take off, and well, that's never good. And it just kept going. And then I didn't notice that it was hard to turn. And I didn't even notice it whenever I started out here. So, but it just keeps going down the road. It's like a line is broke or something. But by the time I went 12 blocks and came back, there was nothing left. All right, so let's get her going. Let's figure out what we got to do. Oh, sweet Betty. All right. Let's see. Okay, well, there's a lot of stuff up here. You can see just how wet it is right in here. Oh, and it just smells so much like burnt power steering fluid. It's got a little bit of, it's a little wet down there. Oh, let's see if I can get that in there. See if it'll focus right there. Yeah, it's pretty wet. All right, let's see. Oh, that's not good. Okay, so if you follow this line right here. It's coming off of the bottom of my reservoir. It goes down underneath and it feels like it's broke. I don't know, I may end up having to take off this front shroud, this cover. Oh. Can't get to a good position for y'all to see that, but it is not good. All right, guys, I'm fixing to start taking some stuff apart, see if I can figure out where my major issue is, and then I'll come back and we'll start taking stuff apart on poor old Betty. Yeah, I just drove her about 15 feet and she's leaking a little bit still, but poor old girl. We'll get her fixed. All right, guys, I got Betty's top cover off. As you can see, and you got to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of these little dudes right here. Okay, it's just a screw, goes down in, pulls up tight. And I got 2 out, and all the rest I had to just break off. Oh well. And then I saw this. Oh, look how shiny. That looks brand. Oh wait, that's just covered in oil. So, man, it is everywhere. I mean, the whole top. is just covered. And oh wait, what is this? Hey. Okay. Does that look right to y'all? I don't think that should be that far off. Oh, wouldn't that just be a sweet deal if that's all it is? Is it my hose slid off? And it's not because of some kind of internal blockage and it built up pressure and blew itself off? Let's see. All right. You know, I've watched a bunch of YouTubers doing stuff like this, and I've always went, why can't they hold that thing any stiller? You know, be a little more steady. Yeah, well, once you start trying to do it, that is not the easiest thing in the world to do stuff one-handed and still try to get everything into the shot. See, like right now, I can't even look through there and find it. Jiminy Christmas. There it is. All right, I'm gonna have to put this down. I'll get back with you in a minute. All right. I got the hose back on. Got it clamped. If that's it, then I am about the luckiest person there is. Because there's no reason that thing should have just blown off. Anyways, I'm gonna go get some power steering fluid, put it back in my reservoir, which is empty. Can't even get a good shot down in there, but anyways, fill it back up, pump it through, see if it explodes, and I'll get back with you. We'll see. That's all we can do. We can just see and clean up a mess. Come, what a mess. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I put fluid in it, got it all put back together, and get it to focus on it. Yep, right there. And I'm gonna start her up and we'll see if she explodes. All right. Still holding. Okay, I think that probably sucked down all of it right there. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not real sure what's going on here. Let's see. Actually kind of moved. And man, I wish y'all could see in there. Kind of foamy. Never seen it do that. All right, I'm gonna keep on. We'll see. This whole thing may explode. Right there. It's like it's trying to push it off still. And the other weird thing is, well, of course it's gonna make that whining noise from now on. That's what happens when you about burn up a power steering pump. But somehow I've gotten some water or something inside my power steering fluid, which I don't know how that would happen. It's a closed system, it's not anywhere near the others, so who knows. All right, Well, we'll see. We'll see how Betty White sticks together. We'll see if that little clamp right there stays on. I'm about half tempted to just drain the whole thing. Who knows? All right, guys. Well, there she is. I don't know what else to tell you. Easy fix today. I really figured I was going to be pulling out, you know, I don't know, part of the cooler or maybe even the entire pump itself. But sometimes you just get lucky and you only have to spend like $10 on transmission or, you know, power steering fluid. And there you go. So if you like this and want to see some more stuff like this added to my channel, let me know, because I do this kind of stuff daily. That's my job. So let me know. Hit me up in the comments and give me a speech therapist so I can learn how to talk. Y'all have a great evening, and I will see y'all soon. Good night.